Students, today we will start with the new exercise, that is practice set 2.4. Okay, and the first part is multiply. Okay, so we'll start with the very first one. What is given? Root 3 multiply by square root of 7 minus square root of 3. Okay, when we will multiply this to this, this to this. That is root 3 multiply by root 7 minus root 3 multiply by root 3. So see, both are having root, so I will write 3 sevens are 21. Okay, minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so this is the solution for the first one. Okay, please take the screenshot. I will erase it. Now let's move to the second one. What is the second one? Square root of 5 minus square root of 7 multiply by square root of 2. So this is multiplied by this, root 5 into root 2 minus this is multiplied by this, root 7 into root 2. So root 5 into root 2 is 5 2 is 10 and 7 2 is 14. So this is the solution for the second one. This multiply by this, as both are having same order, so 2 2. So we can multiply whatever is there inside. Okay, now we'll start the third one. Please take the screenshot. I will erase it. Now the third one. Third one is an important one. Okay. What is the question? 3 root 2 minus root 3 multiply by 4 root 3 minus root 2. Okay, I'll just check the question once more. And so 4, yes. So first term multiply by whole bracket, 3 root 2 multiply by 4 root 3 minus root 2, and the second term root 3 multiply by 4 root 3 minus root 2. So when we will multiply 3 4s, so I'll just write one more step. 3 root 2 multiply by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 multiply by root 2. This multiplied by this multiplied by this. Same here also, this will be multiplied by this as well as this. So minus root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus minus will become plus root 3 multiplied by root 2. Okay, so now we will multiply as the orders are same. So 4 3s is 12, root 2 into root 3 is root 6 minus 3 as it is, root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 4 as it is, root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Now 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6 is 13 root 6. Okay, minus 6, 4 3s is 12. So 13 root 6 minus 18 is the answer for third one of practice set 2.4. Okay, I'll just cross check the answer. 13 root 6 minus 18. Yes. Okay. Now the next part is rationalize the denominator. Okay, just take the screenshot. I will erase this. Next is rationalize the denominator. What is the first question in it? 1 upon square root of 7 plus square root of 2. Okay. Rationalize the denominator. Okay. So the very first question, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Okay. In the previous exercise, we have already seen that we were having only root 7, or we would have multiplied root 7 into root 7. Okay. But Now we have a binomial term, means we have two terms. Whenever we will have such two terms, we will change the sign. It is called as conjugate. See, a plus b can be written as a minus b. X plus y will be written as x minus y. You should change the sign. Okay. Now let's rationalize. So, rationalizing the denominator. Okay. So what will happen? 1 upon square root of 7 plus square root of 2 would be multiplied as square root of 7 minus square root of 2 upon square root of 7 minus square root of 2. So 1 multiplied by this whole bracket is the same bracket, because any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. And over here, see, this is multiplied by this square root of 7 plus square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 7 minus square root of. Okay. So after seeing this, a plus b and a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay. So we have square root of 7 minus square root of 2 equal to sign for the each step upon square root of 7 square root cancel, we have 7 square root cancel, we have 2. So square root of 7 minus square root of 2, 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay. So this is the solution for the first one. Now we'll do the second one. Please take the screenshot of it. Okay, what is the second one? 3 upon 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 2. So when we will rationalize this, we will have 3 upon 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 2 multiplied by minus will become 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2, 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2. You should change the sign and multiply it to both numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So 3 multiplied by this whole bracket, 3 multiplied by 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2 upon, see, a minus b and a plus b. First term is same, second term is different, and we have minus plus sign in between. So a minus b and a plus b is the formula for what? A square minus b square. So it is a square minus b square. Okay. So in the numerator, 3 2s are 6 square root of 5 plus 3 3s are 9 square root of 2 upon, now pay attention, 2 square will be 4 and square root of 5 square is 5, square root of 5 square is 5. Okay. Square root get cancelled, and as both are multiplication, both are different terms. Here also 3 square is 3 raised to 2, 3 square is 9 and 2 square, root 2 square is 2. Okay. So we will have 6 square root of 5 plus 9 square root of 2 upon 5 4s are 20, 9 2s are 18. So 6 square root of 5 plus 9 square root of 2 upon 20 minus 18 is, okay. So this is the answer. We'll just check the answer. Okay. In the third one, we have 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. So when we will again rationalize the denominator, we will have 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 multiplied by 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. So when we will multiply this to this bracket, we have 7 4s are 28, 4 4s are 16, root 3 as it is. And we have a plus b and a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Okay, so 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16, and root 3 square is 3. Okay, so we will have 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. So 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 1. So if you write 1 or you don't write, it doesn't make any difference. This is the final answer. Okay, so this was the third one. Now we'll move to the fourth one. So see, this type of sums will be helpful when you will go to 11th and 12th standard. Okay, so please pay attention properly. We have square root of 5 plus minus square root of 3 upon square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Again, we will rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Square root of 5 minus square root of 3 upon square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Multiply by, as it is plus, we will multiply by minus square root of 5 minus square root of 3, square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Okay, so you can see the first term and first term is same. See, x minus y and x minus y, there are two times. It can be written as x minus y the whole square, which is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this can be written as square root of 5 minus square root of 3 the whole square upon a plus b. A minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, so a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square upon square root cancel, this is 5, square root cancel, this is 3. Okay, just use this space over here. So square root of 5 square is 5 plus 2 as it is. Square root of 5 square root of 3 is square root of 5 3s are 15, and root 3 square is square root cancel, it is 3 upon 5 minus 3 it is 2. So 5 plus 3 it is 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. When I will take 2 common, okay, you can take common in the previous sum also, okay, but I didn't do it. So 2 4s are 8, 50, okay, 2 gets cancelled, the final answer is 2 minus square root of 50. So this was the last question of practice set 2.4. We will start with the practice set 2.5 today. Okay, see, this sign is called as modulus or mod. Okay, whenever we are solving whatever is there inside, and if you are getting answer negative, then also after coming out of the modulus, it will be considered as positive. Okay, let's see what it is. So we have 15 minus 2. So 15 minus, yes, is it 50? Yes, 15 minus 2 it is. 15 minus 2 is nothing but 13. So when it will come out of the modulus, the answer will be 13 itself. Over here, 4 minus 9 is minus 5, but after coming out of the modulus sign, it will be 5. Okay, so 7 as it is, after coming out of the modulus, minus 4 will become 4, so 7 4s is 28. Okay, so this was the easiest part, but when we move to the next part, second part, that is very important one. Okay. Okay, now we'll start with the second part of practice set 2.5. We have some variables and x over here, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so you might be thinking that it is very easy to solve 3x. You have to come outside, become positive. 3x minus 5 is equal to 1, minus 5 will go there and become plus 5. 3x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. Yes, it is somewhat like that, but there is one difference. See, pay attention. Suppose I am having a modulus as x minus 1. Okay, and the answer I am getting it is 3. So, it is possible that value of x is 4. Okay, so that we will have 4 minus 1. It is 3 and the answer is also 3. But it is also possible that value of x is minus 2. That is minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3, and when it will come out of the modulus sign, so it will be 3. So we have two possibilities, either it can be 4 or it can be minus 2. So how could we find such answers? So see, either it is positive or it is negative. Okay, right? So let's see how we can solve it. The very first sum is 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, it is modulus of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. So I will write it as 3x minus 5 as 1 or 3x minus 5 as minus 1. Okay, one time I will take plus and one time I will take minus. So 3x minus 5 will go there and become 3x is equal to 1 plus 5. 3x is equal to 6. Value of x is equal to 6 divided by 3. Value of x is 2. Okay. Or minus 5 will go there. 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 5. 3x is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. So value of x is 4 upon 3. Okay, so we have the two values of x, that is 2 or it is 4 upon 3. Okay, I will just check it. 2 or 4 upon 3. So this is correct. Okay, please take the screenshot. Take positive and one negative. Okay. So now we have completed with the first one. So start the second one. What is the second one? 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. So 7 minus 2x is equal to 5 or 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. So minus 2x I will take that side. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2x. 2 is equal to 2x. 2 upon 2 is equal to x. Value of x is 1. Minus 2x will go that side, minus 5 will come this side, so I have 2x. 7 plus 5, that is 12, is equal to 2x. 12 upon 2 is equal to x, and value of x is 6, or value of x is 1. Okay. Value of x is 6 or value of x is 1. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Now the third one. Modulus of 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. So I will write 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5, or 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 2 5s are is minus 2. Okay, minus x will go there and become plus x. 10 will come this side and become minus 10. So x is equal to 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 will become plus 10. Minus x will become x. So x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18, which is correct. Yes. So now I will move to the next one. Okay, I will erase this. Fourth one. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. So 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to positive 5, or 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to negative 5. See, this plus 5 will go there and become minus 5. So we have value of x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5, and over here, or x upon 4 is equal to minus 5, plus 5 will go there and become minus 5 as well. So x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0, or x upon 4 is equal to minus 10. So it will be x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this was the last sum, I think so. Let me check out. This was the last sum of practice set 2.5. Okay. And this was the last exercise as well. Now after this we will start with the problem set. Okay.